Get your acid reflux under control now. When you are suffering with acid reflux, it may seem like there is no help in sight. Thankfully, there are answers to your problems, and they can be found within this video. Many tips and tricks for placating your suffering are available below, so read on to find out more. Keep a diet diary. Everyone is different, and which foods will trigger your acid reflux may not be the same as mine. Write down how you feel before, during and after each meal, and include a list of what you eat and drink all day. After a month, you should have a clearer picture of which foods cause you the most grief. The more fluid you drink during your meal, the more volume is placed in your stomach. This causes more distension in the stomach and adds pressure to the lower sphincter of the esophagus, creating the perfect condition for acid reflux. Try drinking between meals and drink water in small sips rather than big gulps. Stop smoking if you are trying to rid yourself of issues with acid reflux. Many people do not know this, but smoking causes the muscles in the esophagus to relax. This can create some of the symptoms associated with acid reflux, so quit if you are trying to make things better. Learn your trigger foods. When you know what foods or beverages cause you acid reflux, you can avoid them to keep your symptoms to a minimum. Some foods that often cause symptoms are foods that are fried, fatty, spicy, and carbonated drinks. These are just some examples, and what bothers someone else might not bother you. Certain foods will cause your acid reflux to act up. Chocolate is one of them, unfortunately. Also try to avoid mint, ketchup, mustard, and even mint. If you are able to change your diet even just a little bit, you should feel much better and should have less episodes going forward. When you are eating all of your meals, take your time and savor each bite. It is a good idea to put your fork down between each and every bite. This is a good way to stop yourself from overeating, which means a dramatic reduction in all of your acid reflux symptoms. Do not take large bites when you are eating a meal if you want to feel comfortable and prevent the burning sensation from acid reflux. It is important for your body to break down the food that you put in your mouth, especially meats. Take small bites and chew your food for at least 10 seconds to feel comfortable during and after your meal. Refrain from consuming alcohol if you want to get rid of your acid reflux pain. Alcohol greatly increases stomach acid production. If you need to drink alcohol on occasion, limit yourself to only a couple of glasses at the most. However, you really should aim to consume alcohol-free beverages when you can. With all of this great information at hand, you should be ready to tackle your acid reflux. This means taking control of your life and telling the acid to stay where it belongs. Start today and look forward to a happier, healthier future thanks to putting your condition to rest. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.